Welcome to Philosophy in Review. Today we will review the philosophy of Aristotle. Aristotle was a Greek philosopher and polymath during the classical period in ancient Greece. Taught by Plato, he was the founder of the Lyceum, the peripatetic school of philosophy, and the Aristotelian tradition. His writings cover a myriad of subjects including physics, biology, zoology, metaphysics, logic, ethics, aesthetics, poetry, theater, music, rhetoric, psychology, linguistics, economics, politics, meteorology, geology, and government. Aristotle provided a complex synthesis of the various philosophies existing prior to him. It was from his teachings that the West gained much of its intellectual lexicon and methods of inquiry. As a result, his philosophy has exerted a unique and strong influence on almost every form of knowledge in the West. Aristotle's philosophy is characterized by its emphasis on the importance of reason, observation, and experience. He believed that the goal of philosophy is to understand the natural world and to use this understanding to improve human life. Aristotle's most famous work is the Metaphysics, in which he discusses his ideas about the nature of reality. He argued that there are four causes of everything: the material cause, the formal cause, the efficient cause, and the final cause. The material cause is the stuff out of which something is made. The formal cause is the shape or structure of something. The efficient cause is the thing that brings something about. The final cause is the purpose or goal of something. Aristotle believed that the goal of philosophy is to understand the nature of reality because he believed that knowledge is essential for happiness and for living a good life. He also believed that knowledge of reality is essential for making good decisions and for living a moral life. Aristotle believed that we can understand the world around us by using our reason and experience because he believed that reason is the faculty that allows us to think and to understand the world around us. He also believed that experience is essential for understanding the world, because it allows us to learn from our mistakes as well as our successes. Aristotle believed that virtue is essential for living a good life, because it allows us to live in accordance with reason and to make good decisions. Aristotle believed that the best form of government is a polity, which is a mixture of democracy and oligarchy because he believed that this form of government is the most likely to produce good laws and to be ruled by wise men. He also believed that this form of government is the most likely to be stable and to last. Aristotle believed that women are equal to men in all respects, including their ability to reason and to participate in government because he believed that women are just as capable as men of thinking and of participating in government. He also believed that women are just as capable as men of living a good life. Here are 7 key ideas from Aristotle's philosophy. 1. The goal of philosophy is to understand the natural world and to use that understanding to improve human life. 2. There are 4 causes of everything that happens: the material cause, the formal cause, the efficient cause, and the final cause. 3. The human soul is made up of 3 parts: the vegetative soul, the animal soul, and the rational soul. 4. The highest good for humans is eudaimonia, which is often translated as happiness or flourishing. 5. The best form of government is a polity, which is a mixture of democracy and oligarchy. 6. Women are equal to men in all respects, including their capacity for reason. 7. Animals are capable of feeling pain and suffering, and we should treat them with compassion. Thanks for watching. Please like this video to let us know if you enjoyed it. Also, feel free to comment with any suggestions or ideas.